Alive program participants. Thank you for joining us. Congratulations on all of your healthy lifestyle efforts, and thank you for allowing our team, the Rush Prevention Center, to join you along your journey. My name is Constance Russell. I'm an American sports medicine certified personal trainer and health coaches and well coaches certified health and wellness coach. And today I'm joining you to talk about pedometers. Now, during our recording, you may hear an overhead page. We're still in the office environment, so please disregard. So let's just get into it. The pedometer, the Alive program will provide you with a pedometer, and that pedometer will already be programmed for you. All you have to do is just take it out of the packaging and strap it on to your belt loop and get moving. The reason why we wear a pedometer is to track our physical activity. The pedometer is really good to track your steps each day, and it helps you to track your progress along the way, and also to help you set physical activity goals for the future. Also, along with your Alive program pedometer, you will receive a food and activity log. It may look something like this, but right now we're just going to focus on the activity and give you an example of how to track your steps. So as you're wearing your pedometer, and each day you take off your pedometer maybe at night before bed, you want to also take out your Alive program food and activity log and write down your total steps for that day. So say you had your class on Tuesday, and what you want to do is, starting on Wednesday, record your steps. So Wednesday night before bed, you're going to take your pedometer and you're going to look at it. It's going to tell you how many steps you've taken for that day, and you're going to write in your steps. So you're going to have a total of about 7 days to track your steps. So let's say on Wednesday you got 1,500 steps. The next day there was about 2,000 steps. Friday was another day. Maybe you were at work, you didn't get a chance to move around a lot, and that was 1,500 steps. But then you did some grocery shopping, was active with your girlfriends, and you got a pretty big day that day of 2,500 steps. So Sunday was church, and you didn't get a chance to move around a lot, but that's okay. You still record those steps. And then on Monday, you were back at work, kind of doing the same routine. Maybe you got about 1,500 more steps. And then on Tuesday, you got around about the same amount of steps. So now you have a log of about 7 days of activity. So what you want to do is get your calculator or your cell phone that has a calculator on it, and you want to total up those 7 days. So what I'm going to do here is just total up the 7 days. So 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 1,500 plus the 2,500 plus 1,000 plus 1,500 plus another 1,500. That gives me a total of about 11,500 steps. Now, that number represents the total number of steps you have taken in 7 days. What you want to do is calculate your daily average steps, because then that gives you an idea of around about how many steps you're taking on average. So you take your total steps, which is 11,500, and you divide it by the total number of days that you have taken steps, which is 7 days. So you divide this number by 7, and your total daily average steps is about 1,643 steps. So the next thing we'll do, after you get your log and your pedometer, just go ahead and start tracking your activity. We're going to collect we're going to do a collection the first week and then also at the end of the program. Thank you for your time.